afternoon, everybody. We are back. We're feeling good right now. Beautiful day outside today. My goodness, 73 degrees. Absolutely. Ooh. I see Donnell in the chat. Ooh. What do you think about that? All right, let's see who's first in the chat. We got Pudgy first in the chat. Tim, Pudgy, Tim, Pika Power, Tim, Pika, Nick F, Pika, Donnell. Hello, Clay. Mama's back, baby. Guess who's back? Mama's back. Oh, yes, Donnell is back, baby. What is going on, Donnell? And 170,000 subscribers. Nick, I don't know when I hit it, but I did just notice that I hit it right now before going live. It was like 107.17 or something like that. Thank you very much, Nick F, for pointing that out. Absolutely loving it. We got Pika, Tim, Pika, Donnell. Oh, my God, I love saying that name. Tim, Pika, Tim, Donnell, Tim, Pika, Caesar. We got Donnell, Pika Power. Thank you for the... Meow. Thank you very much, Pika, for Donnell. That was that little kitty cat meow was for you, Donnell. Pudgy with a super chat says, "Hi, Donnell." Wait, don't forget the Pika from Kitty. Pudgy reminded me that there was another one. Was it a king? Was it a king kitty? I think it was a king kitty. I don't know. Meow. 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 Thank you very much, Pudgy, for reminding me that Pika had sent a kitty in the chat earlier for Donnell. Absolutely, yes, Pudgy, man. We got Donnell, Pika, Caesar, Donnell, Pika, Tim, Pika, Caesar, PS5, Caesar, Jim from Wales, Pika, D, Skystonified, Victor, Justin. We've got Pudgy, Cassie, Pika, Randall, Pudgy, Pika, Cassie, and Pika, King Kitty, baby. King Kitty in the chat right now. Let's see what the market's doing real quick, guys. We've got AMC in the top left. It was doing a little bit better earlier, but not too bad right now. $7.37 per share, down 5.80% on the day. Shiba Inu coins sitting kind of sideways, $11.40 at the moment, down 1.81%. GameStop sitting at $26.39, down 4.38%. Terra Luna Classic sitting sideways. Terra Luna Classic sitting at 28,900 points per coin right now. Everything is down at the moment. The Nasdaq was actually in the green a minute ago, and now it is in the red. Selling off into the close right here. Man, I am glad that I got out of those puts this morning. Man, almost timed that perfectly as it's done nothing but go up. Guys, just to give you a little bit of an idea of how crazy options are. I was looking at QQQ calls a minute ago. 276 calls, maybe. 276 calls in this area right here. Not sure. They were like 37 to 40 cents, 41 cents. In this area in here this morning, okay, 37 to 40 cents. I don't know what they are right now. They're probably getting trashed at the moment, but I looked at them maybe 10 minutes ago, so somewhere in this range, maybe. $4.99, man, an 12x gain if you would have bought calls on this dip as it started to bounce back up. I played puts on the way down. They did very nice. But on the way up, 10x gain for everybody who partook in calls today. Very nice. Hopefully you guys made some sick money. 10x gains on a day when the Nasdaq is still in negative territory. Just this run right here, 10x. Options are wild, guys. Options are absolutely wild. And Ape is, oh my gosh, Ape is down 10+% today. Ridiculous. We got everybody saying welcome back. Loving it, man. Donnell. Yes, you are home, Donnell. Hi, I love learning about the stock market. Your videos have great information. Ro, a.k.a. Caroline. Very nice. Glad to have you in here. And they do, they do. Stock market, crypto. One of the best things that you guys can do is have some fun and learn at the same time. I mean, you can't get any better than that. If you're not making things interesting, why even be there, man? Information doesn't have to be boring. Loving it. Anybody else agree? Anybody else actually learn something? Like, even if you've been watching for the last year and a half, just making fun of me on the screen, right? Even if it's 100% entertainment is the reason you guys are here. Has anybody learned anything? Because I can tell you that I have, like with all of the research that I do, like non-stop. Yeah, I've learned a lot. I'm not trying to like, you know, be cocky or anything. I knew a lot. That's why I feel very comfortable talking about this stuff. But yeah, man, I've learned a lot over the last like year and 9 months doing these YouTube videos. There's no doubt about that, man. All right, let's see. I'll let that install. Let's see. Where are we at here? Afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. Dunelon, we missed you. King Mamba, facts on that. We definitely did, man. What's up, fam? And I gotta say, Dunel, like you, I don't know if you listen at all, if you've been in here, but I am like a master air fryer now. You have no idea. I used the air fryer last night. Made some pork tenderloin. Woohoo! Yes, used the air fryer last night. Chicken wings are like the best in the air fryer. Sup, fam? What's going on next level? Hey, Cassie. Loving to see y'all return. Safe to the brohood. Heck yeah. How accurate do you think Lux Algo Live 15 is for Bitcoin and Ethereum? Little ones. I don't know. I don't know what algorithm you're talking about there. I'll say this though. Nothing is going to be able to determine with certainty anything about stocks or crypto. So if you're talking about some sort of an algorithm that's going to be trading for you, the best case scenario is that if it strictly follows technical analysis rules, you can expect to be 70% accurate. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to, I don't know if I'd be able to pull up any statistics on that right now. But at best, technical analysis is roughly 70% accurate. Oh, let's see. I know I've read that before. I'm just trying to see if I can get any sort of a very quick indicator. Nah, I'm not going to be able to pull that up. So I've read before that like the best technical analysis is 70%, man. Quora.com. That dude's saying technical analysis is 100% correct. No, it's not. 1 minute left. Oh my gosh, Pringleton is here. Yes, we've got AMC sitting in the top left screen right now. It's down 6.19, 6.25, $7.34, 7.34, We want to know, what is AMC going to close at today, guys? 7.34, 35. We got less than 1 minute left in the day. 7.36. Green candle, red candle. Green candle, red candle. Let me know if you got a green candle, red candle in the chat right now. 34, 35. 7.35 right now. Anybody got 7.35, 7.35. We got 7.35 on the chart right now. 7.34. It is a red candle. 7.34 at the chart right now. Anybody got 7.36? Anybody 7.36? We want a green candle. That's a break-even candle right there. Green line, but we want a green candle. 7.36. 35. Anybody got 7.36? Anybody got 7.36 on the chart right now? Anybody got 7.36? It's going to close at 7.35, a break-even candle. And then it's red on the screen down to 7.33. Anybody calling green? 7.35. You guys got that one right. 35. Everybody throwing 35s on the chart right there. It was a break-even candle and then went down a little bit after hours. 7.35 was the unofficial close on AMC. Not too bad at all, man. Not too bad at all after the losses that you saw earlier today. I'm actually surprised that the NASDAQ and AMC started a rebound towards the end of the day today. It was actually a very impressive rebound after the negative start we had to the day. But look at this, man. Terra Luna Classic, this is going to depend on how you're looking at it. You can look at this glass half empty, glass half full right here. This action is bad action. Like, there's nothing good about these candles that we're seeing on Terra Luna Classic right now. Stagnation in something that is as volatile as Terra Luna Classic is not good. But nonetheless, we are maintaining these elevated levels, which is excellent. So it depends on whether or not you want to look at this as a half glass full or a half glass empty type of a situation. But this very, very consolidated price action over the last several days here, no real movement, is not exciting and not what we want to see. But nonetheless, man, we're maintaining these elevated levels from where we were after the burns were announced. So I'm liking it in that regard. I'm disliking it in the regard of like this price action's kind of whack, man. I don't even know how else to put it. This price action's kind of whack on Terra Luna Classic at the moment. We need something a little bit more exciting than that. Let's see. Have to get some work done, but I'm here listening. Bye, Danelle. Is Danelle still in here, right? Okay. Danelle's still in here. Pika is the one that has got to go get some work done. Pika, enjoy your work. I imagine somebody's going to shout you out in here, so we'll figure that out or not. But, Pika, enjoy your work. Get that done. Absolutely. Clay the auctioneer. Days, man. People, if I was an auctioneer, people would be like, what price is he at? I don't even know what he's doing. 735, 34, he's coming down. 35, 36, he's going up. 35, 34, he's going down again. What is this guy doing? Nobody knows what he's... No, man, I'm calling the shots on the price action. I'm not trying to auction it off. Otherwise, I'd be a whack auctioneer going up and going down. Have you had any traction on your sticking idea? So, Paul, yeah, there's a lot of people on Twitter that are like sharing that video and think it's a good idea. Here's the thing, man. I'm not trying to push for one idea over another. I do think that, you know, having people put the collateral up and the people making the money and having their stake, like you know, I want to be clear. I'm not talking about guaranteeing that you get your money back or anything like that. Taking almost an equity style position into it. So you put that collateral up. Maybe you do lock it for a certain period of time to collateralize that USTN, but it does not by any means guarantee you a return. But I think that people would be willing to do that the same way that they were willing to stake 500 billion coins. But so me like pushing that idea is like, this is what I want to see or anything. I threw that idea out there to spark the interest of people to begin thinking of better ideas and so on. I know we don't want to see it burnt. I truly believe that we could get the 500 billion LUNC collateralized in a relatively short period of time by the community so that we could get this thing moving and reward community members as well. How do we reward them? Dude, I don't know. I don't know if it's going to be a 1% reward. I don't know if it's just going to be the fact that things move along faster that would reward these holders, or what the actual reward would be. And I have no idea how to make that happen either. You know, I'm not a developer, so I don't know how we could actually collateralize the token with staked tokens. There's a lot of questions that I don't know how to answer in that process. But nonetheless, man, we're a 99+% agreement community. We have to have an idea that we move forward on where people agree. And yes, higher rewards are always going to be better. Sacrifices will have to be made, but I do think that we can move forward in unison, and people do agree on Twitter. So they've been sharing that video and sharing that idea out on Twitter, and it does seem to be getting traction. But nonetheless, man, it's just an idea. If you've got one, throw it out there too, man. Don't be shy. Don't be afraid. Caesar hashtag Claybro OnlyFans. Yeah, Tim, that better return over 10%, if you know what I'm saying. Can't stay long. Danelle, you don't have to stay long. It is so nice to say that name again. Danelle, thank you so much for being in here. Clicky that likey. For real though, guys, click that like button. If you haven't clicked that like button, I don't know what you're doing. You guys were extremely weak in the earlier live stream with less than 100 likes, man. We're sitting on 25 likes right now. Please clicky that likey. I feel like the hype is dying out for LUNC, and that's not a good thing. We definitely need to get yeah. So next level. If anybody can feel it, it's me, right? I post a video, and if a video is in YouTube, make sure to tell me whether the video I post is doing better or worse. And as somebody who's constantly reading through all of the articles and everything around Terra Luna Classic and all of these coins, yeah, dude, I feel exactly the same about you. Catalysts are all around the corner, though, man. Any exchange that jumps on could be a catalyst. Any price action to the upside or downside could be a catalyst. There's a lot of catalysts out there. Chris, man, I love it. Chris is in here. Been missing the chat. Dude, we've been missing you, man. I actually, when I'm used to saying names a lot like that, and I don't get to say them, it hits me. And I want to know, is, Wana, are you in here? Wana, you do not have to send a super chat or anything, but I love saying the name Wana. I want to know if you're in here, Wana. Please be in here. I want commercials. Yeah, right, Gregory. You don't want no commercials. Been missing the chat, but been on a self-discovery journey. Loving it, man. On those daily epiphanies. Nah, I mean, heck yeah. Hope everyone is good. Clay also wanting out of the meme stocks, wanting more real plays, but later. Yeah, Chris, absolutely, dude. And I don't think that there's anything wrong with that at all. The real longer term plays, right? The boring plays, the ones that aren't going to move up 100% overnight, but maybe over the next 5 to 10 years, especially if this market continues to get trashed, that we can see 2, 3, 4, 5x gains, which, dude, is really going to set you apart from the rest of the crowd. If your portfolio is not down in 2022, I don't know. I think you're doing something probably wrong. It's so wrong that it just feels right or something like that, because the entire market's just getting trashed, dude. So yes, I think that we've got a lot of potential for the real long-term boring plays that are gonna make you some, you know, rich old dude that doesn't have to worry about anything, and you get to go out to dinner with your kids every evening and your grandkids every weekend. Like, yeah, dude, we could absolutely talk about those too, man. I want those plays as well. How are the burns today? Caesar, actually, I have not looked at the burns one time today. That is something that I need to do right now. So, Terra Luna Classic, where we at? Let's update this. 14.1 billion is the total. We crossed that 14 billion threshold for Terra Luna Classic burns. The burn tax is above 4 billion. Man, it's just raking in the burns. 14.128 total billion, and almost 10 billion has been sent to the burn address. So very nice, dude. Burns are looking good. Daily average, this is what you guys want to see right here. 624 million per day. Oh my gosh. And it very likely very likely will increase. So next week when Binance makes their burns, even if they're slightly less than the previous burn, it's going to increase this number. I don't know when this number is dating back to, but I know it's not the full 4 months or whatever. But nonetheless, this 624 million is going to increase again when Binance burns on Monday. So very, very solid action right there. And for everybody that was hating at the beginning, saying that we were burning 100 million a day, this is never enough. Well, we're at 600 million a day right now. Yes, if you only take this number, it would take 40 years to burn down to 10 billion coins. Don't forget, if the price goes down, we burn more. As more and more exchanges and stuff jump on board, we burn more. This number should go up. So don't be discouraged if you still think this number right here is low. I don't think that number is low, but I do know that that number is growing. John J, man, thank you very much for the super chat. John J says, come on, baby, let's do the twist. Come on, baby, let's do the twist. For D's, man, I don't even know how to twist, dude. It does the twist go something like that? Is that how the twist goes right there? Yeah, is that I really don't, dude, I really don't know how to do the twist, man. I think the twist goes something like that. Oh boy, 3, 2, 1, embarrassment. Yeah, guys, I'm not going to stereotype a certain genre of people that don't know how to dance, but I fall into that category, all right? I fall into that category right there. John J, sorry for the disappointment, man, but I am telling you right now, I am not one that can dance at all. D's, man, I apologize to you because that dance was for you right there. Everybody's waiting to hit the like button. Do it! 40 likes, not even half. Come on, y'all. Make sure to click that like button. And John J, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Sorry to disappoint all of the dance lovers out there. But that is not something that you guys will see on my TikTok. Nope, you're never going to see a dance on anything. Hit that like button. Listen to D's. Yes, thanks, Bring with the Cassie is in here. Outdo, bro. Hello, man. Danelle, man. I miss seeing that name right there. You know what I did want to see? I want to put Bitcoin on here because Bitcoin has been, it's been down today, but it's not really moving too much. Oops. This was supposed to be at 18. Okay. Right there. Right at the top end. All right, Bitcoin's right at the top end of this daily channel that we've been in here. So, all right, that kind of makes sense. We've got some stagnant action in the overall crypto market, and we've got some stagnant action being led by Bitcoin today. Oh, man. Things got to pick up at some point. They really do. Things have to pick up at some point. I just don't know what that point is. Is it when Terra Luna Classic burns on Monday again? Is it going to be tomorrow for the Shiba Inu coin game? Like, what are we looking at here for our next major catalyst? Can't stay, guys. Drop the like, and we'll be back tomorrow. Master Dark, bro, thank you for smashing that like button, and definitely come back tomorrow, man. D's had hot like after that dancing. I don't know, Pringleton. I don't know, man. You better click that like button, Pringleton. If nobody's going to do it, it's definitely going to be you. I'm actually a dancer. Love to dance. Music moves me. I don't move to music. Tease, that could actually be one of the most beautiful things I've heard today. That could be one of the most beautiful things I've heard today, Tease. No joke, dude. No joke. Any news on LUNC? Taking ages for a new pump. I like it anyway. It feels like it anyway. Yeah, so Bram, that's kind of what we're talking about here. No, there's no real new news on Terra Luna Classic. And the funny thing is, this is the funny thing. Taking ages, right? It feels like it's been taking ages. And I agree. It does feel like it's been a while since Terra Luna Classic pumped up. It's been 2 days, dude. It's been that's the crazy part, man. It's been 2 days. Sorry, I have to go already. I'll be listening though. See you all tomorrow. Donnell, thank you very much for being in the chat. Really appreciate that. And thank you for listening as well. I'm so glad that Donnell is here. All right, guys, let's see what this is what we're talking about. So it feels like it's been ages since we've seen that pump. I would agree with you. I mean, look at this action right here. Basically, it's stagnant. You scroll out a little bit, and you've got a 20-point swing, basically, 20% swing. Well, dude, this is an hourly graph, yes. If we look at the daily chart, hold on. If we look at the daily chart here, it's really just been a couple of days since we had a major swing here. And I'll show you. It's actually better to see on an hourly chart. That daily chart doesn't do it justice. So Binance burns, man. Coming down all day here, touching 17,000 points per coin and shooting all the way up to 31,000 points per coin. Guys, this was Monday. That's when Binance announced they were burning. Sorry. This was the burns on Monday. Sitting down here at 28,000 and shooting up to 35,000. This is when Binance announced that they were burning. This is when Binance actually burned. So, shooting from 28,000 points per coin up to 35,000 points per coin. So, I understand that it does feel like it's been a while since we've seen some major action. But if we could absolutely get some action like this where we rise up 50%, 100% in value because KuCoin jumps on board or Coinbase jumps on board or we've got some new proposal and this USTN idea begins to go through. There's so many catalysts that could absolutely be right around the corner. But I feel what you're saying, man. It does feel like it's been a little slow lately and we want some fast. We don't want any of this. This is just weird. We don't want any of that right there. All right, let's see. That's called the pop and lock, Tim. The pop and lock. My body don't wiggle. Cracks. Locks up and hurts. This could be true. LUNC needs time to blossom. Needs time to cure. It's like a fine wine. If it grew too fast, it would ruin the coin, I believe. Kev Machine. That's not a bad way to look at it. So here is my, not response to that, but kind of like feeding off of that. Everybody's looking at these burns like they're the only way to create value for Terra Luna Classic. The burns aren't the only way to create value. The burns are the multiplier of the value. We need to see utility being brought back to Terra Luna Classic. We need to see a bull market, guys. That's all we need to see. Tell Caveman we said hello. Who's Caveman? I don't know what's going on. Oh, yeah, you're talking to Danelle. You must be talking to Danelle. Rozzy, thank you very much for the super chat. Rozzy says, what do you think the price will be when Coinbase... Rozzy, man, excellent question. So, although this is just a guess, right? I absolutely think that we could see at least a doubling in price if Coinbase relists Terra Luna Classic. So Coinbase listed Wrapped Luna. They had the Ethereum blockchain Luna. And if they were to go list Terra Luna Classic once again, the Coinbase effect would absolutely take place. It always does. And it's nice if Coinbase lists kind of some like unknown coin that's up and coming, and not many people they're following at the time. So then they do list it, and then you have people jump in and buy it. I think it would be a different story with Terra Luna Classic for a couple reasons. One, it's already got that $1.5 to $2 billion valuation, so how much can we really expect it to increase? I don't think 5 to 10x gains are plausible just because Coinbase lists it. However, I absolutely do think with the amount of people that are currently talking about Terra Luna Classic, if it did get listed, it would be bigger than when, you know, everybody was talking about Shiba Inu coin being listed on Robinhood. I absolutely think that we could have some massive gains, massive excitement, and massive attraction if it does. So I definitely see that it could double in price and start to retest. This is where it gets interesting. If we begin to retest those 60,000 point per coin highs, 0.0006, where we were just, how long has it been? 2 weeks? Three weeks? It's about a week. So like 3 weeks ago, man, when Terra Luna Classic was running up and testing these highs here, I don't think that it would be impossible to shoot up and test this level of resistance, or hopefully, moving down slightly to where the actual bodies were, this level of resistance in here. So looking at that, if we did bust this level on a Coinbase listing, look, we haven't even seen these lines in a while, but this is where we're talking next technical levels of resistance at. So we could absolutely see some major gains if it does break, but I think it's going to be hard to break this level, even on a Coinbase listing. If we've gotten to this level and then Coinbase lists it, you know, sit back and enjoy the fireworks. But let's say Coinbase comes and lists it, if we're testing 22,000 points per coin again and so on, we've got a lot of resistance to break through before seeing a major break there. So that's kind of my expectations on it, is that we would struggle around that 50,000 to 60,000 point level again. When will LUNC surpass Zcash? Never. Auto, bro. Never. In my heart, never. Dude, I don't even know what the market cap of Zcash is right now. I probably already passed it. Oh, dude, that's sad. That's sad, man. Zcash is ready to stake a comeback, guys. Zcash is going to stake a comeback. $874 million market cap. You guys are sitting on a sleeper right here. You are sitting on a sleeper right here. Zcash is going to make a comeback, so don't look at market cap, or Terra Luna Classic has already surpassed Zcash. We've got to look at your heart. And if your heart is pure and Zcash is there, you are doing very well. Facts, man. Facts on that. Auto Bro hit me hard in the face on that one. 54 versus 83, not bad. Thank you, guys. Click that like button. Listen to these. Isn't lower price good for Binance burns? Dude, ideally, the best way we could see Binance burns work out is the price runs up all week. People are excited. People are buying. People are buying. People are buying. The volume is up. Volume is up. Volume is up. Trading fees are rolling in. Binance has like $2 million to burn again. And then I think it's what, Sunday night, Monday night? I think it's Sunday night, right? Sunday night into Monday. London time, the price just crashes down. Okay, the price just crashes down. Let's say, dude, I don't care if it loses 90% of its value Sunday night. Then, yes, that would be amazing for Binance burns. So to put that in perspective, let's say we had roughly the same dollar amount of trading fees to burn, and it's the same price. Well, Binance is going to burn another 5.5 billion coins come Monday. If we've got the same volume and the price crashes down 90%, we're back down to 3,000 points per coin, 4,000 points per coin, those lows that we were hitting a few months ago. Binance all of a sudden burned 50 billion Terra Luna Classic. So, yes, guys, if you're here for the short term, a lower price is going to suck. If you're here for the long term, a lower price is not going to be detrimental. Less people will be excited, less people will be talking about it, less people will be interested in taking it forward, less people are going to be, it's just, everything's going to lessen if the price goes down. It's just, it is what it is. However, when you're starting to burn, let's say that Binance continues on with the same volume, man, and because the price is lower, they're burning 50 billion a week. Hey, man, and maybe at that time, KuCoin is on board. Mexi's doing more. And all of a sudden, these burns start to add up to 70, 80, 90 billion a week. Dude, game on at that point. Game on, man. And you can't discount a discounted price. In a coin, a deflationary coin like we've got with Luna, you can't discount and count it out when the price goes down. There's so many positives. Claybro OnlyFans. Claybro. Oh, Coinbase list LUNC. LUNC for life. Razi. The 3 best hashtags I have ever seen. Let's go. 1 mil by the end of the year. Claybro OnlyFans. We'll make it happen. You think I'm kidding, dude? I ain't kidding. From my understanding, if we move to FTX from Voyager, we will get 30%. We will get 30% of what we have on Voyager. Is the I've not seen these numbers, Bronson. I've not seen these numbers, but those numbers sound disappointing. Those numbers sound disgusting to me. If you've got an article or something, tag me in an article. I don't know if I'm going to be able to click on the right thing. Aldo, bro. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Oh, you just... What do we got here? What do we got? Oh, you're such a cute little sidekick. Here's a present. Oh, you're such a cute little sidekick. Here's a present. Oh, you're such a cute little sidekick. Here's a present. Dude, very, very happy. Thank you very much, Auto Bro, for the super sticker. I don't know any other way to do that super sticker there, man. But thank you very much. Oh, yes. Green names are fire. Rozzy, throwing another green name out there right now. Bryce Woods. Becoming a bro. Absolutely loving it, Bryce, man. You are a green name now. Rozzy, thank you very much. Everybody welcome Bryce to the bros. And also thank Rozzy, man, for throwing that green name out there. Rozzy, dude, thank you very much for gifting a bro membership. Bryce, be active in the chat, dude. You got that green name now. Looking good, dude. I'm new here. Nakaya Jones, how you doing? And shoot, Nakaya's new here. Hopefully I'm saying that wrong. Saying that right, Nakai. I'm very sorry if I'm not, but Miss Jones, thank you very much for being in here. And guys, welcome Nakaya too. What the heck are you doing, man? Throw some welcomes out for anybody that's new in here. Loving it right now. Welcome, Bryce, and thank you, Rozzy. Gregory Lawson, thank you, man. Welcome, Rozzy. Well, yeah, welcome, Rozzy, for sure. Welcome, Rozzy and Bryce, and welcome, Nakaya, as well. What if we sent the burn tax to the staking wallet and convert BTC from there instead of minting? Yeah, par. So that's kind of what I'm thinking, right? Along those lines. Something where we don't have to mint new coins, but are able to generate enough collateral that we could go out and buy that Bitcoin. That's exactly what I'm talking about, man. I don't know how the technicals would work on how to make it happen, whether it's the staking wallet, a new staking wallet, a collateral wallet, or so on. But I think that people would be willing to do that, and we got to put it out there, man. See if people also like that idea. Rozzy's the man. Rozzy is the man, dude. Welcome to Kia. Yes, thanks. I just bought my first cryptos today. Very nice. Is it Nikaya? Am I saying that right, or is it Nakia? I don't want to mess your name up, but if I have to call you Miss Jones, I got to call you Miss Jones. Are you going to become a Carlos? Probably not, man. Probably not. So I'm not a huge advocate for staking, okay? Especially in the crypto space. Crypto space staking, to me, is dangerous just in case at any given time you see a major pump in price. Now, I know we talk about the benefits of staking, and I do agree that there are benefits of staking, but to me, they only outweigh the cons if you strictly have that long-term mentality, if you don't care at all about short-term price gains. Welcome, XX. This is a great place to be, except for when Clay tries to sing purr or move. Sir, Mr. Croy, it's time for you to go to bed. Nakia. All right, Nakia. I got that. Nakia. I got you. Hopefully Nakia is right. Otherwise, you need to work on your pronunciation, your phonetic spelling if Nakia is wrong there. Nakia. So glad to have you. Your OnlyFans. Tammy. Soon to come. We got to hit a mill on YouTube by the end of the year if you want to see that. Clay, will the price of LUNC go lower? Because if it is, I'm going to sell and buy a lower price again. El Tigre. I don't think that that's an impossibility, man. No risk, no reward. Don't FUD cryptos. No. I'm not FUDing crypto staking, dude. I'm not FUDing crypto staking. I really... Look, I think crypto staking is a good idea if you've got that long-term mentality, right? Anybody who was staking their Shiba Inu coin back in October of 2021, I mean, dude, they're not going to be on board with crypto staking. If your crypto is hitting a 10, 20x gain in a week period and you're just locked up, man, you can't do it. Well, if you can picture that happening to you and you would be upset, staking is not for you. If you are viewing your cryptocurrency as a long-term, simply long-term, you don't care about it, long-term investment, which is the way that I'm kind of leaning nowadays, then staking could be for you. You're not necessarily worried about the intermediate term swings, man. Not FUDing anything, dude. Welcome, Bryce. Heck yeah, Danelle. Sarah, he moves as a cattle farm. This would make my day. No, it wouldn't. It would ruin your day, Tim. I can tell you right now, it would ruin your day. Let's see what's your estimate on located penny. Any chance by the end of the year? If so, what would it take? So, Jen, I'm going to say no, not by the end of the year. I think the only thing it's going to take for Terra Luna Classic to get to a penny is a bull market. We don't need burns to get to a penny. We need a bull market to get to a penny, and I don't see that happening by the end of the year, but I do think that it could. You can take a portion. Exactly, Ron. 100% agree with that, right? And that also diversifies your portfolio a little bit, so in case there are, short-term drops in price, your staking rewards could help make up for those. So absolutely, man. But if you're going full in, you got to know the pros and cons. But you're absolutely right, dude. A portion of your portfolio staked and a portion not staked, you're doing good. Par! Thank you very much for the super chat. Fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump. Fist bump, baby. Par, man. Thank you very much for the fist bump. Really appreciate that. Za, za, za. Moo. Za, za, za. Moo. Za, za, za. Moo. Thank you very much. Oh, God. I can see them unsubscribing right now, man. Oh, geez. Rozzy, thank you very much for the super chat, man. Really appreciate that. I only staked 25% on my Shiba Inu LUNC because of October 2020. There you go. Kane, bro. Look, dude, you got to learn from it, right? You got to learn from it, and that's not bad at all. Staking a portion and leaving the other available just in case something amazing does happen is a very good outlook on it. So yeah, Joseph, Algorand. I believe you're talking about Algorand. I actually did own some Algorand. Oh God, what was it? 90 cents? I haven't looked at Algorand in a long time. Was it 90 cents that I sold this? I don't think I owned it in... It may... I don't think it was this area in here that I owned it. I think I may have bought the dip in this area towards the end of 2021. I don't know. Honestly, dude, I'd have to go back and look at my trades. I know I did have this for a short period of time, but I did not take a loss on it. So I'm wondering if it was in this area in here, or if it was just a slight gain in this area. I'm thinking 90, so maybe it was $1.90. I mean, this time frame doesn't seem too off back here. I know I owned it for a while. It's looking like a steal right now, though, down here at 30 cents. But remember, if Bitcoin falls down through 20,000, I can almost guarantee Algorand falls through that 35-cent level. Ah, it's my guy. Oh, yes. Well, dude, I'm telling you right now, no. Who's ready for Shiba tomorrow? Jose, I'm downloading tomorrow. Are you downloading tomorrow, man? Free Discord. Yes, it is, man. That moo hurt my soul. It's as bad as the purr. They're both bad, dude. They're both terrible. Moo had base. Out the bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, it did. Thank you. Somebody believes in me. New to crypto, but with all the videos on YouTube saying Shiba Inu going to $10, $8, $3, $1.81 with a game and blockchain. That's an insane amount, right? Yes. So, Chad, it is an insane amount, okay? A penny price point gives you a $5 trillion valuation. So if people are talking a penny, the only way we realistically get to a penny is if Shiba Inu coin burns like 90 to 99% of their supply, and we've got a lot of time on our hands. A 90% burn and a penny price point gives you roughly a $600 billion valuation. That is worth more than Bitcoin is currently worth. So, not going to happen anytime soon. Definitely possible. You know, if you're talking crypto space 10, 20 years down the road, like, you know, if you're sitting there thinking, dude, if I was one of these old guys that had an opportunity in the 80s or 90s to jump into some of these companies, how rich I would be now. You've actually got a better opportunity than that. You know, the crypto space, the stock market back in the 80s and 90s had already been around for, the first stock trade took place long time ago. It wasn't even in the 1900s. It was before the 1900s. So no worries on that. But, so hundreds of years the stock market had been around and companies had been around. We are literally at the very beginning stages of crypto. So if you're not expecting to make life-changing money for your entire family line by getting into crypto, and maybe, dude, if you can outlast the urge and the temptation to take your gains and you're just sitting on it for your future, crypto is bound to give you phenomenal gains, man. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 years down the road that I don't think you're going to see in the stock market or anything else. Because the crypto market, and there might be a new industry that pops up. Crypto wasn't even around 20 years ago. So there might be a new industry that pops up 20 years from now that could do very well. But, dude, Bitcoin in its early stages right now can provide so many gains long term. Downloading the game, probably, but not going to spend money on the game. I don't play games often, especially card games. Yeah, Kane, bro, dude, I'm of the same mentality, man. I will be downloading it. I don't even know how often I'll play it. I might play it to see if it's cool and to know what people are talking about and stuff like that. But I really don't play many games, man. I don't play any games, man, is what I should be saying. I'm going to try and convince Epic Games to make a Fortnite skin for LUNC just for the exposure. Carlos, dude, if you could actually do that, that would be sweet. For both parties, right? That would be sweet for both parties. I don't need a penny. I just need 0.004 to hit 1 million. Never selling anyway. Use the balance on secured loan. Live off that. I love it, Mark. I love it, man. I love it. No capital gains if you go that route. So very cool, man. Make $1 million. Nobody wants to get taxed. 400 grand. Gosh, dude, could you imagine getting taxed 400 grand selling your Shiba Inu coin? Make me sick to my stomach. I need to go and get in the showers. I've been on the running machine. I'm surprised you can't smell me from here. Actually, Sarah DeSacroix, I can. I just didn't want to say anything. I didn't want to say anything, but yes. All of us in here were thinking it. We just really didn't want to tell you. So definitely go take that shower, clean up, and enjoy your night. Sarah DeSacroix, thank you very much for being in here. Really appreciate it, and hopefully you sleep well tonight. Stock market will take 20 to 30 years for maturity if you have that time, and do a 401k. Matthew, absolutely, man. And there's no problem with just setting some money aside, like in a 401k or something. If you guys are working and your company matches a 401k, you should do it. If they have a company match, you're basically doubling your money without any gains, without any capital gains. You're literally having that match. It's a double on your money, 100% gain every time you put it in. So definitely consider doing that. Even if you lose money, right? They would have to lose 50% of your portfolio before you even break even. So if you guys got a company match on your 401k, don't take that for granted and don't miss out on that opportunity to, even if you put in the minimum, right? You're doubling your money on it, and sure, it'll be a nice pad long term, but I still think crypto is going to outperform the stock market over the next 20, 30 years. Paying taxes is for people who don't have a great accountant. Yeah, man, I agree. Anybody want to do my taxes? 76 likes, almost there. Let's go, guys. 100 likes. We're doing good. Hello, Clay. When could we start seeing a bull market? Jason. Whew. Excellent question, man. Where do you put your money after reaching a millionaire status? Joseph, diversify it, man. Diversify it as much as possible, okay? You don't need to sit there and bang out a 10x gain to have $10 million. $1 million is a lot of money. So, Jason, when do we start seeing a bull market? I think when inflation begins to settle down is a very good start for that. When interest rates begin to come down, or when people begin anticipating that interest rates will begin to come down. If you've got periods of elevated inflation where people are able to go out and earn 5, 6, 7, 8, 9% at a bank, when the S&P 500 average return is 7 to 12% on the overall market, they're going to choose the guaranteed interest rate at the bank. So knowing that, man, we need inflation to calm down. We need interest rates to calm down. What makes them calm down? Midterm elections. They could be a catalyst to the upside or to the downside. It could be something that it does affect inflation. The new laws that these people keep passing keep putting into play that just allow for more money to be printed and spent, it affects inflation in a negative way, technically, but by positively increasing inflation. So I don't want to mispronounce that or missay that. It's bad to see high inflation. So spending policies, we need to make sure that they don't stay out of control. There's a lot that could lead to a bull market, but first we've got to make sure that we don't make this bear market worse. Clay, when I win those 24 stickers, you're going to be put to work. Easy ride. Yeah, dude, all I got to do to print those stickers is click print. The actual work part is me having to take out the little parts of the sticker that doesn't belong. That's the actual work part. The printing part is very easy. The rest is hard. Coinbase fine to use, or have another suggestion for a noob. Walk by faith, not by sight. So, Coinbase, yes. Coinbase is fine to use. Absolutely. There are several affiliate links in the description below if you want to use them. Webull is what you see in the background right now. Webull is also very easy to use, and you can buy stocks and cryptocurrencies on Webull. KuCoin, I've been promoting KuCoin for a while now. They seem like they're a little bit more of a technical user interface, so they might be a little bit harder to understand at the beginning, but they're also good to use. If you're an international user, international Binance is in the description. But yeah, dude, Coinbase is fine to use. No problems there, man. Let's see. Clibro, thanks for getting me through long work days. Running my chainsaw with Bluetooth earmuffs. Sky Stoneify, man. Heck yeah, dude. That's crazy that you can hear and enjoy the live stream here through chainsaw like you're chainsawing, dude, and you can still hear what's going on. Those got to be some good earmuffs, man. Tell that earmuff company to send me a pair, and then we can sponsor them, because they can sponsor the channel. That sounds like some serious earmuffs, dude. Where's Pika? Pika, are you still in here? Pika was doing some work, but she said she'd be listening, not able to type. We have high inflation due to stimulus money during the C word. How do state governments fix inflation? Send out more That's how state governments think that they can fix inflation. So yeah, man, you know, it is a combination of the money that was printed for stimulus checks, and there's no doubt about that. But see, they don't want to admit that part, because that is a direct decision that they made to do, or that they made. They want to blame it on supply chain issues, countries shutting down, which they still decided to do, right? And you guys can argue all day. We're not going to sit here and argue whether it was a good idea to do that or a bad idea. We're looking at the effects of doing that and the results of doing that. And yes, supply chain issues with people still not wanting to go back to work. People still not willing to go back to work in 2022 here. So we do still have supply chain issues. And in the money that they printed, dude, the money that they printed, yes. Well, and they sit there, how are prices so... It's so easy to see how prices are so high. They for some reason can't admit it, man. Okay, old man advice. If you have a 401k, take a max loan right now before this market hits rock bottom. Hold it for about a month. When it crashes, use it to buy in the new low and pay the check $20. Hey, yes, look into that before you guys go do it. Everybody that you are going to ask or any advice you're going to see online is going to tell you, and these old guys that talk, okay, they're going to tell you that taking a loan on your 401k is the dumbest thing that you can do, because you're essentially giving up all of the market gains. And that is kind of true, right? If your credit sucks, or if nobody's going to loan you anything, you know, take care of yourself, right? Get that loan out there. But in a time like this, what you are doing is essentially, instead of just taking your 401k and moving it over into bonds, you would take out your market exposure and do whatever you want with that money. And then, yes, then you could buy back in when the market starts to rise again. So it is a strategy that you can employ if you're willing to do so. But I will tell you this, anywhere you look, they're going to tell you never to take out a loan on your 401k. I disagree with that. There are situations like Tim is talking about that can be good to take out a loan on your 401k. But just be very careful with it. You know, it is money that you do have to pay back, even though you're borrowing it from yourself. Technically, the government owns that money until you're 59 and a half. Let's see. Matthew! Fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump. Matthew, man, thank you very much for the fist bump. Thank you very much for the fist bump. Matthew, man, you're awesome, dude. They're 3M sound canceling earmuffs. 3M sound canceling earmuffs. If the dude can listen to the live stream while he's chainsawing, yes, they're the real deal. Tim's got puts on Tim's got puts on 401k. Cash out, cash out, cash out. Pico. Ross, I'm good with that. Something. What did Pika say? I'm here. It's my second day back at work. I'm really behind. Pika power. Oh my gosh. Second day back at work. What do you mean, Pika? Nobody was doing your work for you while you were gone? Bums, man. What were these bums doing the whole time you were gone? Come on, bums. Help Pika out, man. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. That's what I'm talking about, D's. Heck yeah. Let's see. Do you think the Terra Luna go to $1 to do 2030? So Alexander Georgievic. I don't think that you're irresponsible in thinking that that's a possibility. 2030 is still a very long way away, okay? And we can see so much change by 2030. Now, 8 years will pass by very quickly. There's no denying that. If you try to think back 8 years right now, it passed quickly. It will pass even quicker than the previous 8 years did. Now, knowing that, $1 price point on Terra Luna Classic is an absolute possibility because we will be burning for 8 years. We will be innovating for 8 years. The entire cryptocurrency market is going to be growing over those 8 years. So yes, dude, I definitely think that you have the potential to see $1 8 years from now. A lot can happen. We could see above $1 8 years from now. Sky Stonify! Sky Stonify! Thank you for the mustache. Sky Stonify! Thank you. Sky Stonify, man. Thank you very much for the mustache. Coming in nice, isn't it, dude? Yeah, coming in nice. We just shave all this off. Just a little mustache right there. Good to go, dude. Time goes very quick, Matthew. Time goes very quick, dude. Glaybro, you got some good ad revenue from me going back and forth checking the likes. That's what I'm talking about, dude. I might have even made 2 pennies off you doing that, D's. That's what I'm talking about. D's, man, stacking that ad revenue up. I might have made 2 cents. Heck yeah. A bull market or apocalypse, I'm going to get mine. Now, Tim, that's what I'm talking about, dude. Dude ain't worried about no situation. He's getting his regardless of what happens. I guess nothing gets done when I'm not around. Facts on that, Pika. I knew that's the situation. I'm guessing no on the Terra Luna Classic $1 question because people can't focus on anything for a long time. Chris, you could absolutely be onto something, man. I'm going to tell you this, okay? I'm going to tell you this. Well, let me put it this way, Chris. So $1 at the current prices, yes, is... $1 at the current, like, outstanding supply. Not going to happen. I don't think we see a $6 trillion coin in the next 8 years. I really don't even think Bitcoin's going to hit $6 trillion in the next 8 years. It might be possible, but it's going to be a stretch to see Bitcoin hit a $6 trillion valuation. Overall crypto market, yes. I do believe the overall crypto market will hit a $6 trillion valuation. I don't know if Bitcoin can do it. If everything stays at the same rate and never goes up, in 8 years, we would still have too many coins outstanding to reach $1 on Terra Luna Classic. But if people do stay committed and we continue to see growth, we continue to see new utility, and we continue to see burns, that is when I can answer yes on that question. But Chris is right, man. Chris is right. It's very difficult to stay in the spotlight for any period of time, let alone an 8-year period of time. Pico, welcome to management or daycare. Yeah, it's the same exact thing, right? D's, man. Everybody else, close your eyes. Only D's can have this action. My gosh, that peach is fuzzy. D's, dude. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Let me know, D's. Did you touch it? Did you touch it? D's, did you touch it? D's, I was saying if Clay shaves, how would we do the peach? Luna Solara. I never fully shave. I always leave some stubble on there, so we would still be good. But if I did, man, if I took like an actual razor and just shaved it, clean skin, just be a cleanly shaven peach, man. That's all. Neckbeard getting a little rough, bro. Oh, that's because J-Bones. I've got over 2,000 followers on TikTok now. And I'm thinking about, you guys can test it out here first on the YouTube channel. I'm thinking about doing some ASMR man style. What do you think? Oh, this one's even better. Look at this. The freaks on TikTok, dude, I know they would be all over that. I know they would. They sit there all day and watch those girls go like this. They sit there all day and watch those girls go like this, dude. I know they would sit there and listen to me rub my microphone on my neck. I know that they would do that. Danelle, you know what I'm saying. You know they would do that. Tim, thank you very much for the... Gosh, this burns my eye. Thank you very much, Tim, for the super sticker. Loving it, man. Hashtag neckbeard. Hashtag ASMR. Hashtag guarantee they would do it. Oh, Danelle is here. Danelle. Yeah, the Danelle is brought out by the neckbeard ASMR. Facts, dude. What's up, Clay? AUS, the YouTuber, said LUNC wouldn't reach a penny. Austin Hilton, is that who you're talking about? You're talking about somebody else. So look, it is not going to be easy for Terra Luna Classic to reach a penny. I'm not going to argue with anybody that it's going to be easy. What I'm saying is, I really don't think it's impossible. So a penny at the current supply is the same market cap that we had when it was $100 prior. So the previous highs of about $50 to $60 billion is what we would be at if Terra Luna Classic reached a penny again. So it's not out of the question if we can, revive utility on the project. Once you add burns in there, if we were able to burn 50% of the supply, dude, that $50 to $60 billion market cap all of a sudden happens at 2 cents. And 1 penny to 2 penny doesn't seem like a lot, but if 1 penny gets you $1 million and 2 pennies, just another little tiny gain, gets you $2 million. There's a vast difference in going from $1 million to $2 million. So I truly don't think it's impossible, man. It's the previous market cap highs that we saw. We just need to maintain focus on rebuilding the blockchain. I have 3.1 million in LUNC on Voyager, but I guess Voyager is locked down. What do I do to get it out of there? So Jim Jones, yeah, Voyager has been locked down since their bankruptcy proceedings started months ago. We're going to have to wait. So FTX bought Voyager, $1.4 billion, I believe. And we're going to have to wait and see as to when they release our assets, if they revive the Voyager platform, if they make everybody merge with FTX, like what the mentality is and what the game plan is for FTX there. We're kind of just at their mercy, dude. What they're claiming, it's locked down, dude, because they're claiming that we loaned it to them. And nobody even gives a crap. Everybody's just okay with that. Everybody's okay with the fact that if you own your crypto on a centralized exchange, it is not your crypto. It is loaned out with zero preference or zero collateral. Is them carrying it all that you own it. And we're just at their mercy, dude. There's nothing we can even do. So if they want to give us 10 cents back, they're going to give us 10 cents back. It's sickening what they want to do, but we're at their mercy, man. How's Tesla looking? Let's see how Tesla's looking. Danelle, queen of the chat today. Loving it. Danelle is queen of the chat, man. Coming out of nowhere. TSLA. Tesla. How's Tesla looking today? Down 3.5% today. Ah, man. So Tesla coming back down. If you guys are interested in buying Tesla, So this area right in here does pose a little support, which is what we bounced off today. But I would be looking at this area in here if you're going to be buying Tesla. The 220s. If you're a little bit more, if you really want to get a deal, like 210 to 220. But this is the support level that I'd be looking at on Tesla as a buying opportunity. If you just want to add to your position. The overall market, I believe, is going to still come down, and therefore I think that we could see further decreases in Tesla as well. Just it's going to follow the market. Let's see. Why can't the SEC step in and say something on this? By tax law, a crypto is your property. Your property that you loaned out. Exactly. So, one and only Bronson. That's a good question, and the type of regulation that I would like to see in the crypto space. So, this entire problem arose with Voyager. Because Voyager was taking our cryptocurrency that we had deposited on their platform and loaning it out. Now, they have zero regulations on who they can loan to, how much they can loan out, the types of risks that they can take with your money, and all of that. They could loan it to their, drug-addicted nephew if they wanted to. There's literally nothing to deter them from making the riskiest loan ever, or just loaning it to their own bank accounts and saying, oops, sorry, we are not providing a return from you. That's one of the problems with the crypto space, is that these centralized exchanges are not regulated in that way. Now, the SEC is trying to make sure that they can have their hand in the space by determining whether or not these cryptos are, in fact, companies, and you're buying equity instead of a currency. But the crypto exchanges themselves are what need to be regulated. I don't care if you, the owner of your money, go out and make a good or bad decision with it. If you want to blow it, blow it. If you want to risk it, risk it. But what I don't like is when you are technically considered a lender and unknowingly considered a lender, and then the person you're lending to just goes out there, man, and squanders your wealth. Like, that part is wild to me. That part's pathetic to me, man. Why is that not charging? I don't know why it's not charging. Beepoo. What are you talking about, Willis? Something. How much are you going to BS? No calls have been made with this man. Like because I didn't call my mom yesterday, or what? I'll tell you this, Beepoo. I'll tell you this. Yeah, you're right, man. I don't make predictions. I don't pride myself on making predictions of what's going to happen tomorrow. There's no sense in doing that. Nobody knows what's going to happen tomorrow. That's why I've got this 8-ball right here. This is the only calls I make are on the 8-ball. We can look at the analysis all day long and discuss it. But if anybody claims that they know with any level of certainty, I don't even care if they say, yes, I'm 50% sure that it's going to do this. They're just lying to you, man. They're lying to you. So you're right, dude. We don't sit here and make calls about what happens tomorrow. We talk about what could happen tomorrow. And then you're able to make a decision based on your understanding of the possibilities. That's what we do. So you're absolutely right, though, dude. Crypto exchanges need to operate like stock exchanges, plain and simple. Yeah, one and only Bronson. So I like that idea that they need to be held accountable. I also don't necessarily, I don't want to go too far and say that if I want to create Brocoin tomorrow, that I can't create Brocoin without paying the SEC $450,000 to file the paperwork. Like, that part, crypto it's a very new space. And one of the reasons it's so innovative is because anybody can innovate. And if we create a barrier to entry because the SEC thinks that they can even regulate which cryptocurrencies are allowed to become cryptocurrencies, that part I don't think we're there. I don't think we need that part. I think if I want to create Brocoin and give it a shot and people want to invest in it and it sucks, as long as, yes, they know what they're investing in, then okay. I don't know how to necessarily... Well, dude, look. Yeah, I don't know. I was going to say you could make sure that you go through proper channels and, like, identify yourself as the creator of a coin, but then you've got people who, like Satoshi Nakamoto, right? I'm thinking Satoshi. What's the guy that created Bitcoin? Or Satoshi himself, man. You know, if all of a sudden you have to dox yourself because you're creating some sort of a crypto coin, that too can deter people from innovating. So I don't know, man. I don't know what the right answer is for the regulation. I know we need some, but we don't need too much. Razi! It is already 5 o'clock, guys. Razi, man. Moo. Moo. That one was horrible. Moo. God, dude, my cows are terrible. Moo. There we go. Za za za. Za za za. Za za za. I am going to be practicing my purrs and moos all night tonight. Guys, I can't believe it's already past 5 o'clock. This live stream has gone very quickly today. Please get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout outs and then we will be back this evening, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, maybe 10 o'clock with videos tonight. Watch out for them. Click that like button, all that good stuff. Really appreciate every single one of you guys. What do we have? Did we hit 100 likes in here? We get 93 likes. Please, 7 of you, click the like button on the way out. But let's do these shout outs, guys, and we'll be back tomorrow, man. We've got Champagne, Poppy, Luna Solara, DD214, J Bones, Tim, DD214, D's, Luna Solara, Razi, man, za. Danelle, enjoy your evening. Gregory, Tim, Auto Bro, Matthew, Notos, Gregory, Aiden, see you later. Luna Solara, moo. Gosh. Razi, thank you very much for the super sticker. The super chat, man. Really appreciate that, Tim, dude. You are my hero. Tim, dude, don't be embarrassed by my moo. My hero. Oh, my hero. Tim, dude, thank you very much for the super sticker. That is for Razi. Razi is Tim's hero today because Razi was sending the moves in the chat, man. Shout out to Tim. Shout out to Razi. Next level, No Toast, Tim, Razi, DD214, Tom, Ohio Cows are just made different. There you go. Ohio Cows are made different. Yes, they are. Exactly, DD214. Tom, man, all of you guys know what's on. The Iron Neon says... Quack, 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 quack. Dude, my ducks are on point. You can't get me on my ducks, dude. My ducks are on point, Neon. My ducks are on point. Luna Solara, we got the little curved horn going on here. It's not very stiff. That's what. Never mind. Thank you very much for the unicorn, which I can actually do better than a cow. Think about that. D's, man. Everybody else, close your eyes. This is just for D's. D's, man, thank you very much. Moo. 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 Thank you very much, Razi. Those cows are dead on, man. Those cows are dead on. I'm getting so much better at them already. Practice definitely makes perfect. Razi, thank you very much for the super sticker. I know these moves are getting better, and you guys are actually thinking there's a cow in your background right now. There's not. It's just me, man. Marquis, shout out to you. D's, Luna Solara, Emil, see you later. The Iron Neon, Sparky, Tom, Falon, see you later. Or Foloon, Notos, and Razi. Yeah, they're dead. They are not dead, man. If you guys want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Thank you very much, Outdo Bro, for one final super sticker. Really appreciate that, man. Shout out to Outdo Bro, Luna Solara, Tammy Sablon. Followed you on TikTok. Tammy, thank you very much for following me on TikTok. J Bones, enjoy your evening. Tim, you as well, man. Tim does make Ohio cows, and I make Ohio cows proud. Tim makes them, and I make them proud. All of you guys know what time it is, so if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Tim says, just stick to the cat. Meow. 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 Thank you very much, Tim. Ba, 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 ba. I'm a sheep. Ba. Thank you very much, Rozzy. Yeah, you guys, you trying to trick me on these animal noises. I can do some of them, man. AMC Trapper, click that like button on the way out, guys. Click that like button on the way out, guys. Click that like button on the way out, guys. Don't forget to click that like button on the way out, guys. Thank you in advance for doing so. And the salt checker. You pour a little salt out on the table and throw it over your shoulder because it's good luck. And because salt tastes so good, Par, you just gotta... Every time, man, it gets in your eyes and it stings. Oh, it stings, man. Par, thank you very much. Par, AMC Trapper, Rozzy, Tim, Daniel, Jack, see you later, Tom, Danelle, Joseph, Tom, Sky, Stoneify. All of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Luna Solara, you're number one. You're number one. You're number one. Luna Solara, you're number one. Thank you very much. Luna Solara, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. Tom, man, certifiable? Yes, dude. Check on the dotted line. Oh, yeah, whatever that means. J Bones, or the cows sound dead. No, dude, the cows sound real, man. Cows sound live. The cows are alive. T-Plays, Jennifer, J-Bone, Sky Stoneify, Luna Solara, Outdo Bro. We've got a vlog going on in here right now, guys. We want to make sure that we don't take the cord out of anything or the camera could die. But nonetheless, we've got the Claybro vlog going on right now, and it has been a wonderful day. Thanks to Outdo Bro and the extension of this vlog right now. Really appreciate it, but don't know what I'm going to do for the rest of the... Oh, yes, I do know what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. I'm going to make more videos if you guys let me. Outdo Bro, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. We got Rozzy going till 8. No, we are not going till 8. Shout out to Jennifer, T-Plays, Outdo Bro, Rozzy, D's, Rozzy. All of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Za 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 for the rah rah rah. Oh, we get a za 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 for the rah 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 rah. Za 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 for the rah 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 rah. AMC Trapper, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. I don't understand what the za is, dude, but I like it. I like the za. The za is good. The za is very good. AMC Trapper, shouting out to Rah Rah there. Rozzy, man, shout out to you, Outdo Bro, D's, Rozzy, Luna Solara, AMC Trapper, Tom Full and D's, Rozzy. All of you guys know what time it is. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Thank you very much, Tim. D says, is it getting hot in here? Yes, it is. So let's have a hot dog. Tim, or D's. Tim is the D's. You take the hot dog, dude, and you dip the hot dog in your favorite dip. And after you're done dipping in your favorite dip, you shove it. You just take it. One bite, you eat that hot dog, man. Deez, thank you very much. Tim, thank you very much. Pika, I thought we had it. Pika. Maybe next time, right? Tom, shout out to you. Danelle, shout out to you. Deez, Rozzy, Tom. We've got Danny, Deez, all of you guys. Say it with me. Oh, yeah. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. AMC Trapper said, how can we leave without eating a banana? I want to know the same thing. AMC Trapper, you take the banana, you peel the banana. You tilt the head back a little bit. You lick that banana, and you stick that banana. Oh, notice the eye contact the entire time. That's the only way to do it. You lose eye contact, you lose the licking stick. AMC Trapper, man, thank you very much for the banana super sticker. Really appreciate it. Tom Folan said, oh my God, 8 p.m. Dude, I can't go 8 p.m. How can I go 8 p.m.? I got 2 videos that I got to do before 8 p.m. I'm just going to live stream. I'm just going to video this and then send this out right there. I think we might have to. Tim, man, shout out to you. AMC Trapper, Tom, AMC Trapper, Rozzy. All of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Ba, murr, ba, murr. God, dude, I'm so embarrassed of my moves. Thank you very much for the super sticker. D's, thank you very much. Only, guys, everybody close your eyes. Only D's. D's, man, thank you very much. Luna Solara says, D's, man, thank you very much for the superhero super sticker. The superhero super sticker is where it's at, man. Really appreciate all of you guys. Rozzy, AMC Trapper, D's, Luna Solara, Tom, Alto Bro, Tom, Tim, Luna Solara, D's. You guys, I know you don't know what time it is, but if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oh, little T-Place is a little angel. T-Place, you're a good boy. T-Place is a little angel boy. Yeah, T-Place, you're just a little angel boy. Good boy, little T-Place. Yeah. Tim said, is it time to go? Nope. Is it time to go, Tim? Nope. Is it time to go, Tim? Nope. It is not time to go. I say, yep, it is time to go. So, Tim, thank you very much. T-Plays, thank you very much. T-Plays, D's, Tom, Jen, we've got D's, Luna Solara, JB, Tom, Tim, D's, all of you guys. I know you don't know what time it is, because Rozzy says, Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Where's the pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? What was that? Oh, you didn't hear me? Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers that Peter Piper picked. Peter Piper picked pickled peppers. Peter Piper. One more time. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pepper. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. Peter Piper picked a pack of peppers. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Where's the pack of pickled peppers Peter picked? Yeah, good enough, man. Rozzy, thank you very much for the Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Where's the pack of pickled peppers? Where's the pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Nobody knows, man. Nobody knows. I got it, though. AMC Trapper, after saying something like that, you gotta... JB, man, thank you for the... Oh, I got this. You're number one. You're number one. You're number one. JB, you are number one. He kept hearing Pampers and Peppers. No, dude, I said Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Where's the peck of pickled peppers that Peter Piper picked? Yeah, you guys can't do that. You guys, I know you can't do that. There's no way you guys can do that. And I just did that flawlessly on that one. So you need to calm down. You know that one was flawless. I'll do it even one more time. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peck of pickled peppers, Peter Piper picked. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Where's the peck of pickled peppers that Peter Piper picked? Dude. Yeah, to calm down on that one. None of you guys are on that level right there. Boom, baby. Flawless execution of the tongue twister. Peter Piper doesn't even know who Claybro is. D's, man, shout out to you. JB, shout out to you. AMC Trapper, Rozzy, D's, Tom, DD214, Luna Solara, D's, Tim Hogan, DD214, Rozzy, all of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. 100, baby. You know what I did on that last super chat? That was work 100. AMC Trapper giving props where props are due, baby. 100. Slayed that tongue twister. Guys, get that, man. I know for a fact you're popular in high school. You don't know anything, DD214. Rozzy, man, shout out to you. AMC Trapper, thank you very much for the super sticker. Rozzy, Tom, DD214, Rozzy, DD214, Tim, D's, Luna Solara, all of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.